Warm welcome to Goldwell's Academy. Let me learn the NCRT portion of grade 8 introduction on to graphs with the joyful learning. Kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get all my notifications. The first subdivision for an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were shown under similar laboratory conditions. So in the graph, we are going to see, look upon two plants, that is a plant A and plant B. The height were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. So it has been the height, how the height is increasing, it has been seen with 3 weeks. The results are shown by the following graph. Now you can see the two graphical representation in a single graph sheet, and one is dotted one, the other one is a lined one. Lined one is part B and the dotted one is part A. Now the first one, how high was the plant A after 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Now we are looking upon only the plant A. Plant A is given in the form of dotted one. At the second week, how it has been increased? It has been increased to 7. So the plant A was 7 centimeter high after second week. Similarly, now we are going to see for the third week. Third week it merges between 8 and 10. 8 and 10 it merges means it is 9. So 9 centimeter it has been high. Next one. How high was plant B after 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Now you can see the graphical sheet. Now we are going to see with your plant B. Plant B is given in the form of dark lines. Now see in the second week, it is same as plant A, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, next one. Plant B was also 7 centimeter high after the second week. And third week we are going to see. Now third week we can see it has increased to 10 centimeter. After 3 weeks, it was 10 centimeter high. Next one, how much did plant A grow during third week? Third week alone, we are going to see plant A alone, how long it has been grown, we are seeing. So in order to see this, we have to compare with the previous year. Now, this is the plant we have at the end of the third week. Now it is compared with the previous week. So here it is 9 centimeter and here it is 7 centimeter. So 9 minus 7 is 2 centimeter. During the third week it has been increased to only 2 centimeter. Next question, how much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? Now similar question we are going to see with the plant B. That is at the end of the third week, so we have to compare with the previous week. So third week and second week we are going to see. At the end of the third week it is, sorry, second week it is 7 centimeter. At the end of the third week it is 10 centimeter. So difference between these two gives that how long it has been high. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 3 centimeter. So plant grew at the end of the third, between the third week and second week and third week, it is increased to 3 centimeter. Now, during which week the plant A grow most, they are asking. So plant A, how long it is growing? Now, see the graph. The plant A grew the highest during the second week. Now you can see the difference between the plant at the first week, it has been grown to 2 centimeter. At the end of and at the second week it has been 7 centimeter high, and third week it is raised to 9 centimeter. Now let me find the difference between these two. This two difference is 5. Similarly 9 and 7 difference is 2. So on comparing this two, which is bigger? 2. So plant grew highest at the second week alone. During the second week it is high. During which week did plant A grow least, they are asking. Now you look upon your graph sheet. It is at the end of the first week it is 1 centimeter. At the end of the second week it is 7 centimeter. At the end of the third week it is 10 centimeter. Now you can find the least one we are going to find. Now you can minus this one. What is this? 3 centimeter. Now this one minus means you get 6 centimeter. So now you can see which is the plant B grew the least during the third week alone, because this alone 3 centimeter it has been increased, but here it is increased to 6 centimeter. So the plant B grew the least during the third week. Where the two plants of the same height during any week shown here. So here the question is the two plants are same height. Which week it has been same we are going to see. Now look upon the first week there is a difference here, and looking upon the second week you can find a difference. No difference, it is same. And at the third week also you can find the difference. Find the difference means you can see the gap, but at the second week you can see plant A also same height, plant B also same height. So during the second week, it is two plants are at same height. Plant A and plant B were of the same height at the end of the second week. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more and more updating videos. Thank you once again.